I guarantee you come here, you're going to have a ton of fun. See all the people down there waiting?
I can't, Kevin, move it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're the Caper Couple, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. So today, me and little Missy here are over Ben Eion, and we're at the ski hill. So I have a little bit of information about this ski hill. We had to do our intro here behind this shed because it's a little windy out, and I didn't want the audio to go all screwy on you guys. So I'll spin my cam here and show you guys some of the action going on. It's pretty packed here today, guys. There's a lot of people. As you can see, we're going over to do that tubing, and there's a huge lineup over there. So Ben Eion lies on the east bay of the Broer Lakes and hosts an all-season resort including a ski hill, an 18-hole golf course, which is over that way, buried in snow, a 75-slip marina called the Ben Eion Yacht Club and Marina, and there's also a provincial picnic and hiking park and a country inn called the Birches, and a large summer trailer park called the Ben Eion Beach RV Resort and Campground. The name Ben Eion, guys, translates to John's Mountain, and it's named after John McNeil, who was a farmer who lived at the foot of Ben Eion around 1855 or earlier. The ski hill's origin dates back to 1968, when a group of skiers took their love for skiing from Cox Heath to the hills of Ben Eion. Today the ski hill offers not only skiing, but also snowboarding, cross-country skiing, snowshoeing, and now the new addition, which is this tubing. In the summer months when skiing is closed, you can still have tons of fun here and come out and enjoy their beautiful, well-groomed golf course, which you're not going to see right now. You can just see all the fields, guys, and it's a beautiful course. I came out here just before we got the snowfall, and I filmed all this, but I lost everything due to crashing my PC and a virus. I had to format. But it's just a wicked place, guys. I guarantee you come here, you're going to have a ton of fun. School used to take us here when we were younger, and I remember breaking 4 sets of bindings on the skis here. So the bunny hill starts over there where the lifts are. I'm not going to head over that way because there's a ton of music playing, and it's just going to kill my video. So red fencing there, that'll be a bunny hill. You can see how high up it goes. There's another hill there, and we're heading right up here, guys, tubing. And when we get up there, I'm probably going to have to switch cameras and film in 1080 because I forgot my waterproof housing for this camera today. So as you can see, guys, there's lots of people. It's a popular spot. So we'll have a go at this and hopefully not get hurt.
Yeah, well, let's wait till
Did you see the face on her? She had a pretty funny look on her, guys. So yeah, we'll try this out. Hopefully have fun. All you guys, we want to thank you for the support. We're now at 400 subscribers. Keep them coming, guys. So the tubing comes down over that way. Doesn't look like a really steep part of the hill, guys, but you'll gain some speed going down that. I used to slide on smaller than that when I was younger, and you'll gain speed. It's going to be pretty fun. So we'll We'll wait our turn in line here, and you can see how much we have to wait. And we'll get back to you guys once we get up there, guys. So we'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, guys, what's up? We're now on the lift. It's like a conveyor belt. It's dragging us up the top. See that? That's what we're coming up. There's no wind up here, guys, and what a beautiful view you get. See all the people down there waiting?
I can't, Kevin. Move it.
What?
You got it like on.
I don't think so. Stay where you're at. Stop walking.
You're trying to kill me.
She blamed me for her falling. The lift stopped and she went falling on top of my tube. And then blamed me for it.
It's your fault.
She's the one walking further at me. You were. You walked towards me and you fell on my tube. Yeah, I did it. Okay. Yeah. See that, guys? See what she does to me? Blaming me for her falling. Look at that look. So yeah, guys, as I was saying before she fell and ruined my little speech, you get a beautiful view.
Yeah, you're gonna fall. Watch it.
So we're at the top. Now we're gonna take a trip down, guys. So this should be pretty fun. Too bad it didn't go all the way up there, guys. But this should be interesting. Missy's behind me all nervous, knots in her stomach. Hasn't done this since she's been a kid. And, we'll get a little run here, guys. Spin on you and everything here. You want to go first?
No.
Why? You should go first. So you guys want to go? Okay, going after them. You go so I can film you, and then I'll come behind you. So yeah, guys, a great day of fun out here. Just want to thank the guys at Ski Ben Eion and Darcy for making this happen. So don't forget, guys, subscribe, hit that like button.
Sorry.
Put your strap in the tube. Yeah, put it in the tube. Look, like that. Put it in and hold these two handles. Go.
If I could get in it.
So we're just about ready, guys. Just waiting our turn. Hold the turn, spin around a little bit so you can hold the handle. You're gonna want to hold that handle. So little Missy's next, guys. She's next. Yeah, beautiful view. And there goes Laura. Backwards. next. Yep. Go. Yeehaw. Here we go, guys. What a ride. Pretty fun. Man. Huh? Soaked. I thought it was going to flip.
Oh, I was trying to make
hit the side, and I thought it was going to tip.
Mine was going to speed. You said, hold on. I thought you came faster.
My gimbal was spinning around on me. It wasn't even filming me. It wasn't filming up ahead. So guys, I'm going to head a little closer here and show you the ski hill and the lift. But then I'm going to have to shut the cam down because there's music playing in the background here. And we don't want that. So here you go. There's a lift and there's the ski hill. It's awesome here, guys. I remember breaking the 4 sets of bindings coming down this hill, and I only made it down the hill once. Perfect, like they're going slalom side to side. All the other times I attempted it, I could not do it. I kept falling and falling. Look at that little kid. Pretty good snowboarding for a little kid, eh? So yeah, guys, as I said, thank you to the employees at Ski Ben Eion, especially Darcy. We had fun. We only went down once, but we still had fun. So we're going to end it here, I guess, call it a day, head on home, have some rest. But just remember, guys, that's not all they have here. You can snowshoe. They have trails up through the hills to
snowshoe. Oh, and they have a place to eat here, Joe.
There is a restaurant. I'll give you a view of the buildings. So there's your main lodge with the restaurant in it. Get your equipment over here. Not sure what the third one is there. Maybe medic or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, it's first aid. Big sign there. So yeah, guys, it's always, there's always a lot of people here. It's a popular spot. It's a little far to get out here. I mean, you have to turn off at Sydney River and take the Sydney Forks exit. Keep heading out past the Eskazoni turn off. It's about an hour ride. Maybe close to an hour from, maybe 45 minutes from Sydney River. So it's well worth it, guys. It's not really expensive. It's a great day of fun. Bring the kids, bring the family. I guarantee you'll enjoy it. We did.
Yeah, it was fun.
So we'll call it a day, end it here. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. Turn your notifications on, guys. Leave a comment. And until next time.
Catch you later.
See you, guys.